नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, वेलकम, गुड इवनिंग। मैं सुधांशु पांडे मैथ्स में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। इन टुडेज क्लास, आज की क्लास में वी आर विद आकृति एंड वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न ग्रेड 10 ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, सो बी विद मी टिल द लास्ट। Okay, so first of all, if I ask you about the trigonometry, what is trigonometry means? Trigno means try. Trigno means try. And metry means it is a measure. It is a measure of three sides of a triangle, and that too we take in grade 10. We take only for the right angle triangle. We take only for the right angle triangle. So we have a right angle triangle ABC. So first of all, we will understand what are the terminologies of these straight lines. Okay, terminologies of the straight lines involved in a right angle triangle. So the longest side is known as a hypotenuse. And if I say longest side, that means the side in the front of the largest angle of a right angle triangle, which is 90 degree. Any triangle having a one angle as 90 degree, the 90 degree is always the largest angle. And the side in the front of the largest angle is the longest side. This is a theorem. This is a theorem. All right. Now, if I consider this angle, and if I put your eyes at this place, so the side in front of this angle is known as opposite side. This is known as opposite side. All right. The side which includes the angle apart from the hypotenuse is known as adjacent side. Is known as adjacent sides. So how many sides are there in a triangle? There are three sides. Okay, but in a right angle triangle also there are three sides, and those sides can be named. They have a relationship with this angle, and there is a ratio of the side. Okay, the angle and the ratio of the side has got some relationship. So there are three relationships for a particular triangle. So what are the three relationships? The first relationship is known as sine. It is known as sine. And sine of an angle, suppose I am saying sine of an angle A. So this is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. All right. Then there is one more ratio which is known as complementary of this sine, and complementary of this sine is known as co is the short form, so we will say cosine. We will say cosine. It is written like this, cosine. And if I ask you what is cosine A, then it will be adjacent sides. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. This is the second ratio. And then we have a third ratio which is known as tangent. And tangent is opposite side divided by adjacent side. All right. So if I name a triangle in front of you, and if I ask you the angles, can you tell me all the three ratios? Please write it down.
Yes, sir.
Written. The sine is represented in a short form as sine A. Cosine is represented like cosine A, and tangent is represented by tan A. Okay, there are three trigonometric ratios. So now I am going to make a triangle in front of you.
What about cos, sir?
What? Cosec and second.
What
I will
about
come. Yeah, I will come to that. But first, let's learn the first three. The other three are only reciprocals. Okay, the other three are reciprocals. If you can understand the first three, then the other three you can simply do. Okay, so I am naming the triangle like this: MNQ, MPQ. Can you tell me what is sine M? What will be sine M? Tell me.
Sir, sine M
You
will
have to
be
you have to name the side. You have to name the side.
PM by MQ.
Can you repeat?
Sir, sine M will be PM.
No, in none of the case hypotenuse is in the numerator. PM is the hypotenuse.
Oh, sorry. It'll be what's perpendicular? QP by
Okay,
PM.
okay. So you will say PQ or QP upon PM. Okay. Can you tell me what will be cosine M?
Cosine. It'll be MQ upon PM.
Okay, wonderful. Can you tell me what is tan M?
So tan will be PQ upon MQ.
Wonderful. PQ upon MQ. Okay, good. Now if I ask you, what is sine P? Can you tell me what will be sine P?
Sir, same only, no?
No, no, no. Now the angle has been changed.
Sir, sir, wait. Sir, PQ upon MP.
What? PQ?
Oh no, it'll be MQ upon
Wonderful. It will be MQ upon.
PM.
Wonderful. Can you tell me what will be cosine P?
Cosine P. Sir, it'll be PQ
PQ upon
MQ.
PM, my dear.
Oh, sorry, PM.
Okay. Can you tell me what will be tan P?
MQ upon PQ.
Wonderful. MQ upon P. You have a very good eyesight. Good. Okay, so I am again changing the triangle, and let us do once more this practice. If you can do all the practice in one go, then we will move ahead after this. Okay, so now I am making the triangle ABC written in front of you. You have to tell me what is sine A. You have to be quick. What will be sine A?
Okay, sine A. So sine A will be BC upon BA.
Very good. What will be cos A?
So it'll be CA
CA.
upon BA.
Yes, see, you should not take time for going for sine and cos. It is the longest side. The denominator is the longest side. Okay, you have to just focus on the opposite side and the adjacent side. That's it. Can you tell me what is tan A?
So it'll be BC
BC
upon AC.
upon AC. Wonderful. Now, can you tell me what is sine B?
Sine B is AC upon AB.
AC upon AB. Very good. Can you tell me what is cos B?
B upon A. BC upon AB.
BC upon AB. Wonderful. Can you tell me what will be tan B?
AC upon BC.
AC upon BC. Very good. Well done with zero error. Now see this. If I ask you, can you tell me what is angle A plus B? What will be angle A plus B? Can you tell me?
Isn't it A squared plus B squared equals C squared?
No, no, no. I am asking angles. I'm not asking about sides. What is angle A plus angle B? The angle C is 90 degrees.
Angle B will be 180 minus angle C.
No, 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 no. Angle A plus B I'm asking. I'm asking the sum of two angles. Angle A plus angle B.
Sir, I don't know. Will it be angle C?
Yeah. So that is angle C is 90 degree. So the sum of three angles of a triangle is how much?
180.
180. If one of the angle is 90, what is the sum of the other two angle?
Again 90.
90. So angle A and B are known as complementary angles. Please remember this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the angles whose sum is 90 degree are known as complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay. So angle A plus angle B is known as 90 degree. Now look here. Sine and cosine. Cosine means it is a complementary. It is a complementary. Okay. So sine A and complementary of sine of B. A and B are what kind of angles? Complementary angles.
Complementary.
So sine A is equal to cos B. Just check it out.
Yeah.
Similarly, cos A is also equal to sine B. Why? Because they are complementary angles. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wonderful. Sketch school, as of now, I am talking only for the right angle triangle, but if it will be more, you will learn in grade 11. Okay. So in this right angle triangle, you can see that this is complementary of these angles. Okay, they are both known as sine and cos are known as complementary angles. So we get a relation that sine of 90 minus theta. This is a Greek symbol known as theta. You can pronounce this as theta. Theta means it is a general angle. So sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Like that we use x in the algebra. So in case of angles we use theta angle. Similarly you can say cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Why? Because 90 minus theta and theta both are complementary angles.
Yes, sir.
Both are complementary angles. See, if one of the angle is theta, the other angle must be 90 minus theta. So they both are always complementary angles. So we have two formulas now. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. You have to be very quick in making 90 degree angles. Let's play some game now. So if I say one of the angle is 30 degree, the other angle is 60 degree. You have to tell me the complementary of the angles. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. See, I will teach you how it is to be done. So suppose I say 32 degree. So 30, as soon as you listen 30, you have to make it 80. So what should be added to 30 to make it 80? 50. So you will say 50 and this you have to make 10. 2 you have to make 10. So you will say 58. Alright. Okay. Shall we start?
Okay.
Okay. So first angle is 45 degree.
So it'll be 55.
No, I told you 40 has to be made 80. So 40 plus 40.
Oh, okay. So 40, 45 again.
Okay. Wonderful. Now tell me 25.
Sir, 60.
Wonderful.
65.
65. 63.
63. 20.
27. This has to be made 10.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, be quick. Okay, 42.
80, 88.
Not 88, 48.
Sorry, 40.
Okay, 27 degree.
Sir, 63.
Wonderful. Tell me for 15 degree.
75.
Okay, tell me for 29 degree.
61.
Okay, so these are complementary angles. Okay, so now I will give you the complementary angles for sine of something, and you have to tell me it's complementary in cos. For example, if I say sine 22, you have to say it is equal to cos of, make it 80, so 68. Are you getting it?
Okay.
They both are equal. Please understand, they both are equal. You have to look the angles in such a manner so that you can quickly make them 90 degree. Okay, let's start.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first I am playing it for sine and cos only, and then we can have for tan and cot second, cosecant, both are all for, we can play for all the complementary angles. Okay. Be quick, tell me for sine 18 degree.
Sir, it'll be 72.
No, what 72?
Cos
Cos.
72.
Okay. Now tell me cos 23 degree.
So it'll be sine 67.
Very good. Wonderful. So you understood what is a sine of something, what is a cos of something. It is a ratio. Ratio of what? Ratio of the length. Ratio of the length. Now I am going to show you some values and how these trigonometric angles are formed in a real manner, in the real world. So in front of you, I am going to draw some line now. Okay. Now you know how to draw a 60-degree angle without using protractor.
60 degrees.
How you can draw 60-degree angle without using protractor? With the help of compasses and this ruler. Just with the help of compasses and ruler, can you draw 60-degree angle?
Yeah.
How you will draw? Let me know how you will draw.
Sir, you can line up the center number with the compass.
Okay. What should I do? Tell me. I have drawn a line of 8 centimeter. Now what
So
should I do?
where it says 6, you press 6 and then just.
Where should I keep?
So
Anywhere.
wait, what do you have to find?
I have to draw a 60-degree angle. Here is a line. I have to draw a 60-degree angle line. How I am going to draw? Do you know any idea?
Oh, no.
Okay, then what you were saying me?
Sir, I thought you were talking about the other tool. What's it called? Semicircle.
No. I am asking you how we can draw a 60-degree angle without using protractor.
Yeah, I do not know.
Okay, so please listen to me.
Yeah.
So this compasses, this is known as, first of all, this is known as compasses. We often make use of the word compass, but compass is the instrument which is used to see the angles. Okay, it's used in navigation. This is compasses, but in short we say it compass, that's okay. So it has got two parts, one is pencil part and one is the sharpened part. Okay, so the sharpened part, wherever we keep, we name it as a center, because with the help of that only we draw the circle, and the distance between these 2 points is known as radius. These 2 points is known as radius. So with center as the first point and any radius, let us say any radius, so this radius I am taking, let us draw a, we will draw an arc. We will do an arc. Okay, now can you tell me that all the points on this arc are at the same distance from this point. Suppose I ask you, this will be same, this is, every point is going to be same. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I will do is, I will not change the radius of the circle. I will not change the radius of the circle. Again, I will take the center of the compass at the other point where this arc intersect the line. And again, I will draw one arc. Can you see?
Yeah.
So now, can you tell me that this distance is also of the same radius only? This distance was already of the same radius, and where the point of intersection is there, this distance is also of the same radius. Can I, have I made the equilateral triangle?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I made the equilateral triangle, what is the each angle of an equilateral triangle? 60 degree.
Yeah.
Okay, now let us see this. Can you see?
Yeah.
It is exactly 60 degree angle.
Wow.
Okay, if I make one more arc, then it would have become 120. So if you don't have a protractor and you want a precise 60 degree angle, this is the method. You draw an arc from that point without changing the radius, draw another arc, then with that point of intersection and in the initial line you join a line. You will get a 60 degree angle. Alright, this is one way of doing it.
Yes.
Then there is one more way of doing it. The other way of doing it is, it involves trigonometry now. So what is the trigonometry? So first of all, we will draw a 1 centimeter line. How much? 1 centimeter line. Now then I will draw a straight line at an angle of 90 degree. I am just drawing a straight line of 90 degree angle. And let this be of any length. This green color line. Now I need a 2 centimeter line on this. How many centimeter? 2 centimeters. So what I will do is, I will put one part at here and 2 at here. This is how much? 2 centimeters. So I will put the center at this part and I will again draw an arc. So you know where the arc will intersect at the distance of 2 units from this. Are you getting it? This is how much? 2 units. How much was this? 1. How much was this? 1. This is 2. Again you will find it is how much? 60 degree. Let me show you. Just check it out.
Yeah. Wow.
So this is the magic of trigonometry. Cos of 60 degree. Please remember the first angle that I have introduced. Cos of 60 degree. You see it is 1 base. Base is what? Base is 1. 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Cos of 60 degree is how much? 1 over 2. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell me immediately that I taught you cos of 60 degree is equal to sine of what? Just now I taught you. Cos of 60 degree must be equal to sine of what?
Sir, cos of 60 degrees is equals to sine of 30.
Wonderful. So that means sine of 30 degree is also equal to 1 by 2. With the help of one angle, you remember 2 angles. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me in a Pythagoras triplet, if this is 2, hypotenuse is 2 and base is 1, what will be the perpendicular? Can you tell me what will be the perpendicular?
Sir, 2 square plus 1 square.
No, it will be subtraction, my dear.
Subtraction. Sorry, 2 square minus 1 square.
So under root of 2 square minus 1 square, which is square root of 3, which is square root of 3. Now can you tell me from here what is sine 60 degree?
Root of 3 by 1.
Root of 3 by 2, my dear.
Oh, okay.
Root of 3 by 2, which will also be equal to cos of what angle?
Sir, cos of 30? Would it be 30?
Wonderful. Cos of
Yeah.
30 degrees is also equal to how much? Root 3 over 2. Understood? Can you tell
Yes.
me what will be tan 60 degree?
Tan 60 degrees will be 2 by root 3? Would it be opposite?
No, tan 60, my dear, perpendicular upon base.
Oh, so root 3 by 1.
Yes, root 3. Can you tell me what will be tan 30 degree? 30 degree means you have to look from here. You have to put your eyes at this place. From here, opposite, say perpendicular will be this. 1 over
One.
root 3. 1 over root 3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So let's mark them. Let's mark all the angles now. So the first angle that we learned was cos 60 degree. Please don't forget this value. This is 1 over 2, which is also equal to sine of 30 degree. The second value we learned was cos of 30 degree, which was root 3 over 2, which was equal to sine of 60 degree. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
The third angle that we learned was tan of 60 degree, which is under root 3, and then tan of 30 degree, which is 1 over under root 3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now look again. If I make this as an isosceles triangle, you know what is an isosceles triangle? In isosceles triangle, the two sides are
Equal.
equal. So if these two sides are equal, and please remember the opposite angles are also equal. So what will be the value of each angle? (45 degree) because the sum of two angles is 90, and if both the angles are equal, what will be the value of each angle? It will be half of that 90. Okay. Now suppose that this is 1. This will be also equal to 1 only. What will be hypotenuse? 1 square plus 1 square, under root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to under root 2. Now let us check again. From here, can you tell me what will be sine of 45 degree? Tell me what will be sine of 45 degree?
45. So, 1 by
Wonderful.
root 2.
Very good. 1 by
Root 2.
root 2. Okay. Can you tell me what will be cos of 45? That will also be equal to root 2, 1 by root 2 only, because sine of 45 is equal to cos of 45. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Why? Both are complementary angles. Tell me what will be tan of 45?
So it'll be 1 by,
1.
yeah,
So tan 45 is always 1. Tan 45 is always
1.
1. Understood these values?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me introduce some more trigonometric ratios. So there are 3 more trigonometric ratios. I think that you know about them. So one is cosec. Cosec is what? It is the reciprocal of sine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then you have sec. What is sec? Sec is the reciprocal of cos. And then you have cotangent. Cotangent is what? Cot. We say it as cotangent or cot. Cot means it is a reciprocal of tan. It is also a reciprocal of tan. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sin, cos, tan. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if two numbers are reciprocal of each other, do you know about a theorem in mathematics? Suppose I
What
multiply
theorem?
2 by 3 into 3 by 2. What is the product of two reciprocal? It is always 1.
1.
It is always 1. Okay. So I'm going to write in front of you the first three formula. The formula is sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is also equal to 1.
1. So let me write this down.
All are reciprocals of each other. Then we have 6 more formulas. Okay, I am just putting a gap and writing all the next 6 formulas. The fourth one is sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and then you will write the opposite of this. That means cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Then you will write tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Then you will have sec of 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. First, please remember these 9 trigonometric ratios, or you can say formulas or angles.
Yes.
Write it down properly.
Yeah. Sir, done.
Done?
Hmm.
Okay. Now let's remember some of the values as well. So you know what is an angle known as? What is an angle? Angle is defined. What is the definition of an angle?
Sir, actually, I don't know the definition.
Definition is angle of the definition of the angle is it is known as a degree of rotation. How much
Degree.
something has rotated. Suppose I show you that this is a line. Okay. Now I am, with respect to this line, I am going to rotate an angle. So how much I am rotating, that is known as degree of rotation. So mathematicians have divided this degree of rotation, one full rotation, into how many equal parts? 360 equal parts. How many equal parts?
360.
360 equal parts. Why 360 they have chosen? Because 360 is a very good number which has got so many factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, not 11 but 12, then 15, then 16, then 18, then 20. There are many numbers which can divide 360. So that's why the one complete rotation is being chosen into 360. So you know all the kinds of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, complete angle, straight angle, reflex angle. Okay. So now say this: there is can you see the relationship between these two lines? You see, okay. Try to look in a triangle. See this. If I lessen the angle. See this, I am reducing the angle. Can you see I am reducing the angle?
Yes,
So
sir.
when I am reducing the angle, can you see what is happening to the perpendicular? If I am reducing the angle, see this. Can you tell me what is
Perpendicular
happening?
also reduces.
Reduces. So if I make the angle at 0,
It's straight line.
the perpendicular is how much? 0.
Z-
So if I make the angle 0, that means what will be sine 0? Sine 0 means opposite side. Is there any opposite side? The answer is no. So it will be 0. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Now if I increase the angle, if I keep on increasing the angle and I increase in such a way, I will increase in such a way, you see I am increasing it, and at certain point of time what will happen is the perpendicular and hypotenuse will merge. See, when I am increasing the angle, what is happening is, see this, the base is reducing. When I am increasing the angle, the base is reducing. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And the base has coincided with the hypotenuse. So that means if I ask you what is cos 0, so the answer to that is, sorry, so when I am increasing the angle, it has become 90 now. Okay. So cos 90 is also 0, which we can also confirm by complementary angles. 0 and 90 are complementary of each other.
Yeah.
So sine 0 is equal to how much? Cos 90. Both are 0. Alright. Now tell me what happens to the sine of 90. You see sine of 90. Sine of 90, you can see the perpendicular has merged with the hypotenuse. So it is 1. And same goes with the cos 0. And cos 0 is also known as 1 because the base has merged with the hypotenuse. These two values. So let's conclude all the values now. I am concluding it. So I will write sine theta, I will write cos theta, I will write tan theta. You have to remember this table by heart.
Yes.
Okay, so first we will write theta angle here. Theta is an angle. So for 0, sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0. For theta is equal to 30 degree, sine theta is 1 by 2, cos theta is root 3 by 2, and this is 1 by root 3. For theta is equal to 45 degree, both are how much? 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and tan 45 is 1. For 60 degree angle, it is root 3 over 2, this is 1 over 2, this is under root 3. For 90 degree angle, this is 1, this is 0, and this is not defined. You cannot divide a number by 0, so that is not defined. Please make this trigonometric table of values.
Yes, sir. Sir, how was the movie yesterday?
Movie was very scary.
Wow.
I shouted 3 more times.
I like horror movies. My favorite genre.
But I didn't like that movie because I was not able to enjoy. See, it was a comedy, horror comedy drama. Sometimes there was a comedy, and as we were about to laugh on some comedy, suddenly there is a scary part. So we are scared. We were not able to react properly. If there is a pure comedy, we could have laughed. If it is a pure horror movie, we could have been scary. Okay, what is happening? We will be full of surprises. But as we were in surprising manner, then suddenly the comedy will start. So the movie was wonderful, no doubt. Movie was fabulous, wonderful movie. And animations, all those things were good, but it was a bit scary, and we went at night. And the hall was full of dark, and suddenly the face with that animation was made. Oh, it was like that, and we were like, oh my god. Okay, so written all this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have learned these values. Now we will move to the IXL to do some questions now. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and you can practice after the class as well. Trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan. Let me see how fast you can tell me. Okay, you have to tell me the values. Find the tan of r. Tan of r, be quick. So you have to keep your eyes at r and opposite side divided by adjacent side. That's it. Is the question visible to you?
Yes, sir. Just a second.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to find R, tan
Yeah.
R.
Yes.
So tan is perpendicular by base.
Yes.
So it'll be 48 by
Over
20.
20. Very good. 48 over 20. But you have to simplify your answer. See, they have given simplify. So how you will
Oh.
simplify 48 over 20?
Only lost it. 48 over 20. So 48, 20 you can do. 10. Sir, 2.4.
Simplification means not write in decimals.
Oh,
Is it
then
12?
I'll redo it. Because our school, we're provided calculators, so they only give us decimals. So they're like, okay, you use decimal.
No, 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 no. You have to write like this. See, 48 over 20. Both numbers can be divided by 4. So 4 into 12, 4 into 5. That's it.
Oh, okay.
5 is a prime number. Alright. Okay, tell me what is sine of D?
So sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So 45 by 53.
Very good. So 45 by
There's
53.
nothing in common.
Yeah. Okay. Find the cosine of E.
So it'll be 5 by 13.
Wonderful. So 5 over 13. Okay. Sine
Okay.
of W.
Be 24 by 26.
So to reduce it, so 12 by 13.
Hmm.
Tan of I.
Tan of I.
Yes. So you have to find the third side as well with the help of the Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah, so 8 squared is equals to. So hypotenuse squared is equals to
289.
perpendicular square minus base squared.
Hypotenuse perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square.
Perpendicular squared is equal to hypotenuse. So that means, what do we have to find? Tan.
Perpendicular.
So we have to find, yeah.
Have I given you the list of Pythagoras triplets ever?
Meaning?
There are Pythagoras triplets, means the three numbers which together form the sides of a right angle triangle. One is 3, 4, 5. Please write it down.
Okay.
One is 3, 4, 5. The other one is 5, 12, 13.
Yeah.
The third one is 8, 15 and 17. The fourth one is 7, 24 and 25.
So what is this, sir?
In all this, the fifth one is 20, 21, 29. Please write it down, then I will tell you.
20. Yeah.
So try to understand. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Okay, 9 plus 16, 25. Then 5 square plus 12 square. 5 means 25, 144. It is going to be 13 square. That is 169. Then you have 8 square, 64. Plus 15 square, 225 is equal to 17 square, 289. Then you have 7 square plus 24 square, that is 49 plus 576 is equal to 25 square, which is 625. Then you have 20 square, 400 plus 21 square, 441 is equal to 29 square, 841. Alright. Now why I am asking you to remember this? Because out of 100 questions, probably 80 to 90% of the questions are based on these Pythagoras triplets only.
Oh.
Okay, so as soon as you see hypotenuse as a 17, 8, the number should be 15.
15.
Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
So if this is 15, tell me what is tan of I?
So tan of I, if that's 15, so it'll be 15 by 8.
Wonderful. It will be 15 by 8. Okay, next question. So now you might be thinking, sir, this has come out of the syllabus. You taught me 15, 17. Okay, now say this. The highest value is a factor of 17. 2 into 17. Check that Pythagoras triplet. Every number is now multiplied by 2. So 15 has been multiplied by 2 to become 30. So what was the third number? 8.
8.
So 8 has become now 16. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
What was the Pythagoras triplet? We have got 8, 15 and 17. So no need to remember all, just the 5 that I told you. So you multiply 17 by 2, you will get 34. You multiply 15 by 2, you will get 30. So that means the third number is also multiplied by 2 to get 16. So automatically, without doing the square and square roots, you can simply say it is 16. So now tell me, if this is 16, what is cos S?
Cos is based by hypotenuse. So it'll be 16 by 34.
That will be 8 by 17. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Find the cosine of angle Y.
So wait, this is not given in the Pythagoras triplet thing, no?
No, this is not given in the Pythagoras. I think it is given.
No, not given.
Not given. 7 into 8 is 56. 3. Yes, this is not given.
So the formula is h squared is equals to p squared plus b squared, no?
Yeah, so under root of 56 square plus 33 square you have to find. So 56 square is 25 plus 6, 31, 3136. And 33 square is 1089.
Yeah.
So add them and find the square root. Okay. 6 plus 9, 5, 8 plus 3, 10, 11 plus 1 2 2 5 31 plus 10 11 42. So it is 65.
Okay.
This is 65.
Okay, so now we have to find the cosine of y.
Yes.
So cosine is cos, so base, so 33 by, what was the answer? 45.
Yes.
What was the answer? Yeah.
So 11 by 12,
Hmm.
11 by 15.
Or wait, what was it? It was rule
No, I think we
32.
made some mistake, I think. 65,
Yeah.
sorry, it was 65.
Oh, okay, 65 by 33.
No, 33 by 65.
Oh, my bad.
See, cos should not be greater than, cos cannot be greater than 1.
Oh,
Tangent of I.
tan of I.
So
Okay, this is also
97,
not
65,
rule.
okay. 97 and 65. So you have to subtract 97 square minus 65 square.
Mhm.
Tell me what is 97 square?
Mm, so 9,269.
9269.
Yeah, I think so. No, it's wrong. It's 9,409.
9409. Okay. Minus
Yeah.
65 square is 4225. So when you subtract 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. And then 0 minus 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5184. 5184 is whose square?
I do not think it is a perfect square.
Just check it out. The under root
Okay, under root.
of 5184. 5184. Either it is 2 or 8. And 7, 8, 56, 72. Just check it out if it is 78 square. No.
78.
No, 72.
72.
Multiply 72 into 72.
5184. Yeah.
So this is going to be 72. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then tan I. Tan
So,
I will be 72 by 65.
yeah.
So rest of the questions now you can practice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is in geometry Q1.
Q1.
Geometry Q1. Please write it down so that you can practice after the class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, with this, let's sign off and we'll meet next week,
Yes.
Saturday, with the trigonometry only. Okay, please practice this.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
I say thank you, sir.
My pleasure, beta. कोई है ऑनलाइन जो देख रहा है वीडियो? जा रहे हो? Get school. स्केच स्कूल, यस सैटरडे संडे। बेटा किसी को कोई डाउट पूछना है तो पूछ लो अभी यार। स्केच स्कूल अभी पूछना है पूछ लो, जो कुछ भी पूछना है पूछ लो। 10 मिनट में हूँ लाइव। पूछो बेटा क्या पूछना है। चैप्टर नंबर और वो पूछ लो डाउट। चैप्टर का नाम बता दो। सर कल मेरा हिंदी का पेपर है। ठीक है बेटा जाओ पढ़ाई करो फिर। बाय, गुड नाइट।